Globalization, alongside emerging digital technologies, have brought great changes to the world. Cross-border procurement has become increasingly convenient as well. Made-in-China.com, as the pioneer of the online expo, has launched SMART EXPO service since 2016. We are committed to providing digitalized and one-stop online purchasing experience for everyone, everywhere. This includes immersive 3D display hall with various products, 360-degree VR factory tour, interesting interactions with intelligently matched suppliers like face-to-face online meeting, e-business card exchange, instant multilingual translation, visual highlight, etc. With SMART EXPO, global buyers can also enjoy diversified services, such as whole process trade consultant, star buyer service, special offer, and so on. Distance divides us, but business unites us. Let's continue adapting to new ways of doing business. SMART EXPO interconnects world.